and welcome back. I'm your clever money girl, and today we will discuss about the tips on making money work for you. When you put your money into an investment, that will eventually provide a profit without requiring any thought or effort. You have the power. By the time you reach this stage, you can safely state that your money is effectively working for you. Sadly, not many people are aware of how to do this correctly. Some people end up regretting their investing choices because they acted impulsively or without adequate planning. By the end of this video, you'll realize that you don't have to be like them and that. With discipline, everything is quite simple. Number 1. Open a high-yield savings account. In general, high-yield savings accounts offer returns that are 20 to 25 times higher than the national average of a typical savings account. This represents a profit given that all you did was save money and that you ultimately came out ahead. Why wouldn't you desire that? Regularly setting money aside in high-interest savings account will help you safeguard your principal while also advancing your savings objectives. When looking for a high-yield savings account, things to keep an eye out for include interest rates, the initial deposit needed, fees, how you may access your money, deposit possibilities, and compounding strategies. If you follow these instructions precisely, a high-yield account won't present any surprises to you. Number 2. Purchase real estate. According to history, buying real estate is the best way to put your money to work for you as quickly as possible if you have the funds and the risk tolerance. Even though investing in real estate requires a significant amount of money, it is more feasible than you may imagine. For instance, there are several ways to invest in this profitable asset. One can get in through pure investment plays which don't require hands-on management, crowdfunding, investing in real estate trusts, and participating in real estate partnerships are a few examples. Another option is direct ownership, which entails buying a home for yourself, a rental property, or property to renovate and resell. The strategies outlined above are always seen as long-term investments, and once you get going, you can be sure that money will start coming in. You should conduct your research and determine what will work best for you. The market and the demand for rentals are always important factors in real estate investing because it takes time to pay off. It may not be the best choice for everyone. When you already have the other sources that are providing you with some income on a regular basis, I would advise investing in real estate. Number 3. Seek a professional qualification or degree. Accepting what you have right now could be viewed as poor choice in today's world. Since there are new opportunities every day, you should go out and pursue them. The best way to achieve this is to keep expanding your mind. One of the best financial decisions you'll ever make is definitely to invest in your education. This may even qualify as a side business. You can enroll in a professional course in marketing or stock trading that you can utilize in the future. It doesn't even matter whether it is currently useless to you. It will eventually pay off. Discovering your passion and learning more about it are the only things left to do. After that, keep an eye out for other possibilities or just seize one if you have an idea. Number 4. Develop sources of passive income. The best way to make money work for you is to have a passive income source. Don't confuse passive income for a quick way to get rich. Earning passive income can be done in many different ways. Blogging, freelancing, and part-time marketing are a few examples. Numerous social media platforms offer opportunities. If you can manage a handful of this, you'll soon be making more money. Really great, right? Number 5. Prioritize your own needs. Most people rush to pay off their bills or treat themselves to something nice after getting a big paycheck. We can believe that anything we buy is appropriate since, after all, we work hard for the money, whether it's stylish new clothing or lunch at a fancy restaurant. But is it the best way to start spending our money? Rushing to spend our hard-earned money causes us to forget about ourselves and end up paying someone else. You should always think of your work as an expense, which means you should set aside a set amount of money from a paycheck for savings. You can think of this percentage as pay for your work. This is really one more way that you can move on in the direction of financial objectives. Are you still with me? If you do, that's awesome. If you want to improve your financial outlook, don't forget to subscribe to your Clever Money Girl. I post videos daily to help you get financially smart, and while you're at it, don't forget to click the like button and the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. And let's continue. Number 6. Join a new company as a silent partner. You must be able to spot possibilities that most others would take for granted if you ever hope to succeed in business. The good news is that chances come our way every day. All we need to do is watch out for them. Making a quiet investment in a startup company you think has the potential to take off and generate large profits is one approach to do this. Everyone has at least one or two smart paws without a doubt. They're aware that if you make a wise prediction, their firm will succeed without a doubt. You should invest your money in these kinds of friends, then sit back and let it work for you. You should never bring your own opinions into the company as a silent partner. Simply stay out of the way and let the active partner take the lead. I am aware that there may be trust concerns along the way, particularly when the business does not appear to be successful at times, but at this point, it should be your responsibility to allow your money work for you. Be tolerant. Number 7. Clear your debts. That is the only factor that will result in the stagnation of your financial growth. Debts can have such a significant effect that many people struggle to pay them off while still leading pleasant lives. But if you want your money to work for you, this should be the first item you can get rid of. It's simple to begin to consider how you might get rid of them all at once. Well, you can. All you need to do is set up a schedule for paying them off, beginning with the lowest obligations, while continuing to save money to pay off the larger ones. After paying off the smaller bills, you pay off the larger ones. We all experience our first, and ultimately, we get there, but it's not a guarantee that it will happen overnight. Number 8. Make a personal budget. No one is unfamiliar with the concept of a budget. In fact, a lot of people believe that they can plan their finances mentally without really writing anything down. They frequently wind up spending all of their savings, which is a terrible situation. You may start putting your money to work for you by carefully working out a budget and completely sticking to it in addition to saving money. With a budget, you are forced to only purchase what you absolutely must and to save the rest. The most important thing you need to have if you want your money to work for you is a budget. In order to achieve your goals, sit down and carefully prepare your budget. Number 9. Invest in items that outperform inflation. When I talk about assets that beat inflation, fancy cars or any machinery shouldn't be on your list, as we all know that they depreciate with time. Investing in markets like the stock market or cryptocurrencies is the best choice. Be patient in this situation. Many people who do have the opportunity to invest in these industries tend to make the wrong decision because they become overconfident at the first sign of profit on their charts. Since markets undoubtedly fluctuate every day but eventually rise, you should leave your assets there. Number 10. Make a financial plan. The major reason we desire money is to use it to purchase an item we have always desired or required. This doesn't imply that you just go out and buy whatever you want because you worked hard and can afford it. Always make an effort to save money. No matter how minor anything looks, it still matters. You can spend additional cash you just saved after trading, or if not, you can simply add it to your savings account. Claiming rebates and incentives skillfully is another way to save money. You can utilize credit cards that give you rewards for spending money, which makes every dollar you spend work twice as hard for you. You'll even come to the realization that your actual spending was less than what you had anticipated. Never let an opportunity to increase your wealth pass you by. The key to a sound financial strategy is carefully planning and setting a course for a stable financial future. It does not involve taking unnecessary risks. So what are you waiting for? And that's it. Do you have anything to add to the list? Please share them in the comment section below. And also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel so you can see all the videos we will be releasing in the coming days, weeks, and months. And that's it for this video. If you learned anything new, please leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Get financially smart with your clever money girl. See ya!